Welcome to TechLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable USB ports on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, this is a very easy process. So, at first, what you need to do is just go to your Start button. Then just right-click on your Start button. Then in here, you'll find Device Manager. Just click on Device Manager. Then this window will pop up. Just maximize this window. After that, in the list of devices at the bottom, you'll find Universal Serial Bus Controllers or USB controllers. Just expand this section. Now, just choose the USB port that you want to disable. Let's say I want to disable this one. I'm just going to click on this and right click on it. And then I'm just going to click on Disable Device. It will ask for my permission here. Disabling this device will cause it to stop functioning. Do I really want it? I'll click on Yes. And then just wait, and there you go. The USB port has been disabled. And to enable it again, the process is also the same. Just right click on it again. Then just click on Enable Device. Then just wait. And there you go. The USB port has been enabled. And that is how to enable or disable USB ports in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computers. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.